Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the changes that are going to be implemented in Indian education system. Let's get started. Since 34 years, there were no changes in the Indian education system. Now, NEP, National Education Policy, made many changes in the education system. By 2020, India will achieve 100% gross environment ratio in schooling. Coming to the changes made by the NEP has transformed the education system to 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 system. From long back, we follow 10 plus 2 system. 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 system has various stages. The first stage is called the foundation stage. This stage includes 3 years of preschooling followed by grade 1 and grade 2. The second stage is called the preparatory stage. This includes classes from grade 3 to grade 5. This stage focuses on activity-based interaction classroom learning and multilingual language, which is 3-language policy. All these should be taught to students. Language preference should be decided by individual states. The next is the middle stage for classes 6 to 8. Coding must be included in the curriculum from class 6. This stage more focuses on experimental learning in all subjects. And the last is the secondary stage for classes 9 to 12. The notations like higher secondary and junior college will be shifted to grade 11 and grade 12. This stage mainly focuses on critical thinking in every aspect. Sanskrit would be offered at all stages of the system. For the secondary exams, the board exams pattern would be reformed. New exam pattern for 12th board exam is expected to be adopted by 2022. The board exam pattern follows PAREX system, which stands for Performance Assessment, Review and Analysis for Knowledge for Holistic Development. Students can be able to choose their own path according to their talents. There will be no separation between arts and science. In the secondary stage, foreign languages would be offered as to adopt multilingual policy. Different levels of exam will be conducted for both objective and descriptive type. Undergraduate program should be 4 years, not 3 years, with multiple certification exist program. For the first year completion, normal degree certificate will be given. For second year, advanced diploma certificate. For third year, bachelor's degree certificate. And for the fourth year, bachelor's with research degree certificate will be issued. College should provide certification by themselves. There is no need to seek for any affiliation. If the student completed research project in fourth year, then bachelor's degree with research certification will be issued. Apart from these, there are still more other changes. NEP is also going to include contemporary subjects such as artificial intelligence, design thinking and holistic health. Also, the curriculum should include Indian Sign Language. As per the survey, there were 50 lakh deaf people and 20 lakh people with speech disabilities. This learning will be benefited for deaf and speech disabled people. That's all for now. For more updates, subscribe our channel. If you like the video, click on the like icon and share with your friends.